Hello guys, welcome to my Python lessons and tutorial. So this is just the introduction part of the lessons. Here Python is a programming language that has many uses. We are going to use it for data analysis. Then we'll touch on NumPy, pandas, we'll do the main Python programming lessons. Then we'll see how it is used on machine learning. We'll go into TensorFlow and sklearn, scikit-learn. Python can also be used for automation scripts, web development, and game development. So the direction for this tutorial is going to be on machine learning. So first, the first Python tutorials is going to cover the programming language. Then we'll go into NumPy. NumPy means numerical Python. And then we'll go into pandas. Then we'll do data visualization using matplotlib and seaborn. All these are libraries that are associated with Python, and we are going to use them to go through tutorials, show them and see how they are applied in Python machine learning program courses. Setting up Python, installation and IDEs. My interest for this lesson is for those that have low specification computers. So what you are going to do is you are going to download Miniconda using this link. You just click on the link. Either you go to a web browser and search for Miniconda, or you go directly to the link that is here and go directly to this link and search for it. So it will take you to the page that you directly install the Miniconda. I'm assuming you are going to use a 64-bit system. So you click this link to install it. I click this link to this is not the Miniconda, so you scroll down. This is a Miniconda 64-bit. This is for Mac and this is for those that are using Linux. I had already downloaded the setup, which is here. So what you do is you follow the instruction and install it. Follow the screen one after the other to install it. Like this, you just run the setup to the end. Like so. I already did it. This is a latest version of Python 3.12. So I already installed this. So after that is installed, you come to look for Anaconda PowerShell. The direction that you are going to follow is as it is here. First, you want to create a Python environment for Python 3.12. Then you install NumPy, install pandas, install matplotlib and others that you will use during the course of this program, this tutorial. So once you open the Anaconda PowerShell, so from the base Anaconda, I can view all the environment I had created using these keywords, these commands. Conda info, system environment. They're going to bring me all the system environment that I've created. Okay, so you can see that I have i3.110. I created this specifically for Python version 3.10 so that I can use it in my GPU. So I want to create a new system environment. I want to call it Python. That's the name. As for the version, I do not want to specify to the 3.10. I just want Python to store the latest version. Of course, okay. So the installation has started. We're going to agree. These are the files that will be installed. So I'm going to say yes. It's installing Python 3.13. That's the latest version. And other packages as well. So I say yes. It's downloading the files. Okay, network is good today. Network is really good. And installing the packages. Okay, it is done. So to enter that particular environment, I'll just type conda python, conda activates python. That's the name of the environment. So from there, I can launch my Jupyter Lab. Meanwhile, let me just deactivate first. Activate. So let's see all the environments that are there. Okay, so now you have two environments created. Python and Python 3.10. So this particular one I just created is 3.13. So let's activate it again. And then launch our Jupyter Lab. Give it some seconds, try to copy. Okay, so Jupyter Lab server is up. The browser would launch. Okay, so it takes us directly to the page. It takes us directly to the folder we have the tutorial on my desktop. So with this left hand side, you can always navigate to any folder that you want. So the folder is called tutorial. So this is the tut page. So from here, launch the Python 3.13 version kernel. I don't want to launch this. I already created a lesson here. I can launch this. Is I want file load there. Well, direct it. Okay. So let's say I want to import numpy as np. I didn't install this. We need to import. Okay, no problem. Let's say I want to import pandas as page. Should I import? Okay, that's imported. So what happened to this? I was trying to launch the wrong folder, the wrong file. This is the file I should have launched. Okay, so we can see the system version. This is the system version for it. You can run some codes. Okay, you can assign a variable to a variable name, and then we can print a. Okay, or you can use print. So this is generally how you can install beta version of pandas or for Python on your system. So I want to confirm if NumPy is already installed, or I have to install it. I'm importing NumPy as B. I'm importing pandas as BT. I'm importing SciPy as SP. Besa. Okay. So let's print this other cell. Let's print mp dot version let's print mp dot pt as version. Okay, version 2.2.2. Let's print sp dot version. Okay, and possible as rest. Disable installed. I don't think. Okay, it's installed. So any package, any library that has not been installed, we can easily always go in and install it. And to install that, you will need to install that. You just need to come to the PowerShell, activate your environment, with the name, and then it just install by install. Let's say cPon. C1 is already installed, but it's still going to install it. We already have a version of it here. 0.1 C1 is already installed. It's going to install it with art.8. Other libraries. So let's just save. So that's it for the end of this tutorial. You see you in next one.